Hi guys, welcome back to Charlotte's Foliage. I just wanted to get in here and I have a plant box opening and I wanted to share it with you guys as always. Now this is not a plant that is going to go into my collection. This is some terrarium plants and some plant jewelry that I'm going to make a terrarium out of, and then I'm going to sell the terrarium in my plant store. So if you're new here, welcome, and if you're revisiting, welcome back. Let's get started. All right. Let's see what we got here. And this is from Peace, Love, and Happiness Nursery. I've ordered from them before, so I'm very pleased with their service. And I bought some terrarium plants before, and I've sold the terrarium, so the plants did really well. And when I say terrarium plants, you can put any plant that you want in the terrarium, but most of the time you want a plant that likes humidity. Okay? Because I like my terrariums closed. And I'm going to show you guys how well they package their plants. Look at this. They got the little peanuts in here. Now we're going to open it up and get the plants out. Okay, I'm going to turn on the light. It's kind of dark in here. Sorry, you guys, I didn't even realize I didn't have the lights on. Okay, so this is how the plant is wrapped. It's got the little polyfill in here to protect the plant. It's wrapped up in some really good foam to protect the plant. And let's see which plant this is. I believe all of them are going to be Phytonias, and these are veiny plants, but they're beautiful and the colors are excellent. So here's one that is a pink Phytonia. It's called a polka dot plant. Okay, that's the first one. Now let's get into the second plant. I love this stuff you can pop. I usually give it to my grandkids and let them pop it. But anyway, let's see what we got here. This is a larger plant. I think it's the same type of plant, but it must be a bigger version. Oh no, I forgot I ordered me a button plant. Now this is mine, you guys. I've forgotten that I ordered this. This is a succulent, and I believe it's called a crassula, and another name for it is buttons. But yeah, I think I ordered 2 of these. They put them all in the same container. But yeah, that's why I wasn't sure why I got such a bigger plant. But yeah, this is crassula perforata. Okay, beautiful succulent. I've been wanting me one of these for a long time. I actually want a variegated one, but I'll start out learning how to take care of this, and then I'll get me a variegated one. But yeah, it looks like it needs a little bit of soil in here because it looks like it kind of spilled out, but that's okay. All right, so that's another plant. And then here's another one. All right. I hope you guys are doing good. We got a beautiful day here in my hometown in Missouri. And I'm watching my grandkids. We just finished playing charades and they're resting now. But I just hope everyone is safe and enjoying their weekend. And we got Thanksgiving coming up. Oh, this is my second crassula, you guys. They are meaty. I didn't realize they were going to be this big. So I'll be able to keep one and put one on my storefront. There it is. Look how healthy they look. Oh my goodness. I really got to figure out how to take care of them. Hopefully you take care of them the same way you do your other plants, okay? So here's the little monsters I was telling you about that glow in the dark. See? These are really, really nice. These are really nice, you guys. They glow in the dark. And you just sit them in your plant and they glow in the dark. So I like to put these in my little plants and watch them glow in the dark in my maybe greenhouse or whatever. But that's it. I think that's it on my plants. And I just wanted you guys to share in the unboxing experience. And so thanks again for stopping by my channel. If you're new here, please, I hope you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so that when I go live and post videos that you can go ahead and come in and enjoy the video with us and share content, what works for you in planting. And we all can learn from one another. Thanks again, you guys. Bye now.